On a hot, bustling summer day in July 2025, the digital highways of YouTube come alive as an unexpected force barrels into action. Captain Big Rig Butter Stunts, renowned for his daring trading strategies, and his clever Chihuahua Molehole are on a mission like no other. Their objective: to clear the stops lurking beneath key support levels, creating the perfect environment for futures floor traders to seize long positions. As Captain Butterstunts and Molehole clear out the stops, futures floor traders closely monitor the NQO. Amidst steady volumes and cautious optimism, they strike as soon as Captain Butterstunts gives the thumbs up. Hoorah, mother truckers! P.S. Hey, Skeletor. I got your chocolate salty balls. Stay tuned for episode 2, dropping on Monday, July 21st, where Joker and Woodchip try to steal back Skeletor's balls when Butters is sleeping. And tune in to the Futures Floor live stream starting at 9:15 a.m. every morning. Co-streaming daily with Omnius Trades and a 5-man support crew more unhinged than a trader on tilt. Woodchip, bringing sawdust, pure glory, and unhinged stream energy to the squad. Joker, the only man I know who lights a candle for the algo and swears it whispers his entry levels every morning. Butters Stunts. Nothing says prop firm whore like a blue semi with Molehole riding shotgun and that wholesome chaos grin. Mike Stunts, clearly the evil Knievel of the trading world, launching grenades, grand slam trades, and dirt bikes with equal recklessness. And Skeletor, whose backpack's probably packed with stolen prop firm account numbers and a jar of his chocolate salty balls. Don't forget, we're live at 9:15 a.m. Be there, or we'll let Butters trade your account. Oh, and bring your sense of humor, because we trade, we laugh, and we lose. Peace out.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, a new day, a new dawn. Let's see what we got going. Well, we just had a little bit of a move at 8 o'clock. 12 points down, 20 points up. That was exciting. I missed it. Now we're back down to 4 points of range and 1 minute candles. What else do we got? Looking. Buyers in control. Momentum on the long side has been above the sell side momentum. Buy side momentum's been above sell side momentum now for about an hour. So I'm not surprised that that dip rotated back higher and took out the high of that dip. Take a look at the 30-minute. Well, if we kind of stretch it out this way, we've been in a 300-point range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the past 6 days. Wow. Actually, no, more than that. It's true. Omnius pointed it out. More than that. Let's mark this off. We've been in a real pickle. In a real shitty range. Let's get this squared away and see what it is. Actually, if you use just the bodies, what do we got there? We got 660, 400 points in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 trading days. Wow. What do we want to mark off? We want to mark off, I wanted to mark something off. Mic is a little too high. Don't need it in my face like that. Well, no matter. I don't remember. Oh, I know what I want to. I don't want to mark off anything. I wanted to get these guys going. We are down 17 points in NQ so far. Gold is down 290 at 33.56. Crude is down 21 cents. Oh, wow, we had a down day, eh? Went up, but came down. I thought we were going to start charging higher, but sold off. Down 24 cents. Bitcoin, the big one. Bitcoin got over 120,000. We need a Bitcoin daily chart. Let's put in the template. Hey, Butter Stunts. Oh, I don't know if you saw my message. I didn't understand. One comma can change your sentence completely. Hold on, let me get it out there. Where is it? Yeah, you wrote, I decided not to try and overtrade back to break even today. So, is it, I decided not to overtrade, comma, I'm back to break even today? Or is it, I decided not to try and overtrade back to break even? So in one case, you're down 500 because you decided not to trade back to break even. And in the other case, you decided not to continue trading. You're back to break even today. Mike, what's up? Anyways, I think I'm going with the no comma. You decided not to trade back to break even. That's what I'm going with. New Mexico. I agree. NM. Daily. Let's get this to the daily. Let's see what change the template. Load. Broadcast. 15-second MNQ daily. That should be enough. And we changed the colors for crude and for gold, eh? Well, then we're going to change the color for Bitcoin also. Property, the color is dark gray. Go to Bitcoin. Properties. Change the color to dark gray. Bitcoin is even worse. Dim gray. And strategies. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, Butters, you were there at minus 520 for the day. Yeah, okay. That's I think that's where I put you. I don't remember. That's the second or third time I lost my train of thought. Uh-oh, maybe that's what happens when you're in 400 calories in a day. Look what my wife brought me. Liquid gold. Does it show? She went to a rotisserie to get some chicken. Like we haven't been eating enough chicken. And she brought me back cola. She called it cotton candy. She said, here, I brought you back some cotton candy. So the only results I need now I'm waiting for are wood chips. Wood chip didn't send it in yet. However, it is a small glass of cotton candy. That's what, 10 ounces maybe? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, Woodchip didn't get second place. Straight down. Wait a minute, straight down. You were short. I didn't get it. You were saying short, 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 short. Didn't we go down? 30-minute? Like in the afternoon, we went down 3050. Oh, not that much. I thought you got it, actually. What did you write? Let's go see. Who's holding short? Me, 953 every year. 330 saves me. I don't know what that means, 330. You were short at 950? No. You were short at 330, targeting 953? 49. You're in at 49,154. I would assume, I don't know what that number is. Oh, okay, I saw I'm in. I'm at 49,154. Wouldn't be surprised to see a dump in Asia. That is 846. Yeah, you know what? I think it's better that people give me the account number, the account amount, rather than how much they made, so I don't have to keep a running spreadsheet. Makes it easier than nothing but lose and win, gone completely sideways. Yeah, I was talking about that, not the fact going completely sideways. But, yeah, it fucked up with, it was a serious brain fuck. A serious process fuck. A serious break of discipline. Screw over. Mike destroyed us all in one fell swoop. If I could play a song, I would play I've Got the Power. Okay, so I have two more updated numbers. Let me fix it. Butters minus 520. And I had wood chip. Ooh, now I gotta go find it. I can't beat futures. Deal me in. I know you're the unluckiest one. $49 $154. That is minus 8.46. Well, I don't want to sound I don't know if the word is facetious, condescending. But you know what's more interesting, in my opinion? We should actually do it again. And everybody, just trade your system. Don't try to trade to win. And see how it fares against other traders. That's a better competition. Don't try to win. Don't try to lose. Just trade your system. And see what the market gives you on those days. And record it in. And you're good to go. Okay, that looks correct. Well, if I didn't pay for Canva, it says it would have costed me $12.71. Just to download this image. Think of the money I'm saving. I'm done. That was delicious. Did you guys go back to plastic straws? Or are you still stucking on these paper straws that are garbage? I'm in the class. I got the front seat. I got the front seat. We host it. We host it here. Okay. You don't need to be a teacher. Richard Dennis was a lousy teacher. He didn't even show up much for the class. We're going to ask lots of questions. So, I wasn't here for the open. So we do it now. That's for day 7. However, futures floor can translate. Everybody sitting down, cup of coffee, watching the screens. Let's go. We have a winner, Mike Stunts, $3,464. Blowing away second place by more than 4 times. He lapped the second place trader by 4 times. He lapped the second place trader by 8 times. Maybe even more. 28, 29, 31, 32, 8.5 times. So if this was a horse race, Mike Stunts brought his horse back into the paddock, took a shower, went and had supper with his family, started driving home, turned on the news, and he sees that the other horses are still running. It was that bad of a shellacking. So you can present it in that way, but you can present it also as a masterclass in trading, truly. And I think that's the way it should be presented, because that was superior trading. It was like the other 5 traders were a schoolgirl soccer team, a high school girls soccer team playing a professional men's league. That's almost how bad the beat was. Mike, you should be proud of yourself. If I had a trophy to send it to you, I would. Should have thought of that. And finally, butter stunts, I meant to say. The system in the end didn't trade so bad. It recovered quite a bit. It had a horrific morning. It had a horrific morning. Let's go look over it again. Like this kind of momentum here, right? Where you're going to come down, but you're not going to break the bands. You're going to break the high, come down, break the high, come down, break the high, come down, then you have one winner. That's 4 losers. Then we're over here. I think we had one. We broke the low. We had another one, broke the low, had another one. So that was 7 losers, 2 winners. Then in this period over here, we came down, we broke the high, we came down, we broke the high. That was 2 to 1. There was probably a couple of periods over here. So the market was really delivering in a way that was damaging. Even here, came down, broke the high. That was a loss rather than getting under the bands. What you can do is, if you notice that the markets are making wide swings, you just change the bands. Because you got to get under them. So you just change the bands. I use 13. I also use 8. Those are my numbers. 8, 13, and 21. Let's just see if we go on the extreme on 8. What does JK stand for? I'm seeing it a lot lately. Just kidding. Sorry, wrong number. Okay, I thought I changed it to 8. Nothing got saved. 8. 8. 8. Apply. Yeah, you see it was 1, 2, 3, 4. You'd still lose there. You'd still lose there. You'd make money there. You'd lose. Are you there, Butter Stunts? My little sweet treat of Diet Cola is gone already. Butters, are you there? I think I'm going to go to my number of 13. Yeah. Okay, new strategy builder. On the bright side, the competition got me some past evals I didn't want on Rhythmic. Yeah, Mike is not the best teacher, but man, can the dude trade. And right. Not only trade. He can ride. Oh, yeah, really? So maybe I should have the bike. He should be on the floor and the bike's pulling him? Pulling him by his foot, and he's banging on the floor. Let go. Okay, well, we'll come up with something. So, butter stunts, you want to catch the moves. I want to catch the moves. That's the whole purpose of this thing. What I'm thinking is, when it gets in, it gets out when the color changes. So in this case, it would have gotten in, and it gets out when the color changes. In this case, it would have gotten in, gets out where the color changes. Color in, short, it would have gotten out where the color changes. I'm also going to change it to 3 bars, not 2 bars. And 15.5, which is still 20, might keep our loss shorter, and it'll be the same thing. Why are you laughing? He did motivate. Oh, okay. Do you guys still do it? Like, the next time you do it, bring some footage back with you. See here, we wouldn't have gotten in because there's no 3-bar retrace, but we would have gotten in here. Continuation. That's it. Not much. 3-bar move. Boom. Nice one. How much is that? 58 all the way down to 43. Okay, 15 points. Oh, we go back up because we're under 45, 49. It's 5 points, and we're selling again here. 48 to 43, another 5 points. We're buying. This is probably break even. We would be buying. That would be a loss. Dun, dun, dun. We'd be selling. It would be a cover there. Selling. Nice one. Buying. Not really. I think, hey, Joker. Let me code it. Joker, did you see the new video? I don't think you saw the new video. I don't know if it was out yet. You're in it. You have a cameo. Or did you see the one when you're in it? I don't think so. Well, if you saw it, I'm not going to play it again. You saw it? The one with you inside it? I haven't. Okay. Let's clear up the... put on your sound.
On a hot, bustling summer day in July 2025, the digital highways of YouTube come alive as an unexpected force barrels into action. Captain Big Rig Butter Stunts, renowned for his daring trading strategies, and his clever Chihuahua Mole Hole are on a mission like no other. Their objective: to clear the stops lurking beneath key support levels, creating the perfect environment for futures floor traders to seize long positions. As Captain Butterstunts and Mole Hole clear out the stops, futures floor traders closely monitor the NQ. Amidst steady volumes and cautious optimism, they strike as soon as Captain Butterstunts gives the thumbs up. Hoorah, mother truckers! P.S. Hey, Skeletor. I got your chocolate salty balls. Stay tuned for episode 2, dropping on Monday, July 21st, where Joker and Woodchip try to steal back Skeletor's balls when Butters is sleeping. And tune in to the Futures Floor livestream starting at 9:15 a.m. every morning. Co-streaming daily with Omnius Trades and a 5-man support crew more unhinged than a trader on tilt. Woodchip, bringing sawdust, pure glory, and unhinged stream energy to the squad. Joker, the only man I know who lights a candle for the algo and swears it whispers his entry levels every morning. Butters Stunts. Nothing says prop firm whore like a blue semi with Mole Hole riding shotgun and that wholesome chaos grin. Mike Stunts, clearly the evil Knievel of the trading world, launching grenades, grand slam trades, and dirt bikes with equal recklessness. And Skeletor, whose backpack's probably packed with stolen prop firm account numbers and a jar of his chocolate salty balls. Don't forget, we're live at 9:15 a.m. Be there, or we'll let Butters trade your account. Oh, and bring your sense of humor, because we trade, we laugh, and we lose. Peace out.
Okay. I thought it was a joke. No, it wasn't a Joker exclusive, but he says he hadn't seen it, so I don't think he saw the one with him in it. Anyways, if he saw it, well, I just wasted 2 minutes of his time. Okay. Any trades in this death market? Looks like it should be short right now. So, did you like, if it was your first time, did you like your likeness? Yeah, it's going to be the same video all week. I think I can't make masterpieces every day. Didn't you hear the part about part 2 drops Monday, July 21st? I got a week to work on it. AI isn't that friendly when you suggest an image. Like two guys breaking into a house to steal balls. First you get the image, and then you say, okay, the balls are in the wrong place. I can't see them. Butterstunts doesn't have his name on the shirt. One guy's already in the house, but the window isn't broken. You got to do the image. Like, it takes like an hour to do one image sometimes. Let me get to this. Not sure exactly the rules, but we're going to try. We're calling it Butterstunts number 2. 13. Strategy builder. We're going to get this to work. If it's the last thing I do. So help me God. Let us all pray. Let us all hold hands and pray that this works. Next, we're going to call it V2. I'm not going to say what V2 is in my description because it's just a quick test. The parameters, ADX, perfect. I don't have to change that. Trading enabled false, don't have to change that. So, oops. Let me go here, open it up. There's 12 boxes. If that happens and that happens, shorts enabled, long, perfect. Place short trades, false, perfect. Now if boom, 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 let's get rid of this one. Remove. And the close. What do we want to do? We want to place a long trade. The close +4 is less than the low. Fuck it. Less than the close. We're going to make it easier to get in. Less than the close. Okay. The stop. The Donchian channel. Do we want it exactly at the Donchian channel? I don't think so. It's the low. I think we should go a little bit lower. Ticks. This could save us a full loss. Minus. Well, what's this here? We'll see. Look, we'll see. We'll see. -6. We're not going to be specific right now. Long entry price. We still want to get a better entry price. Six. Let's get 6. It's not being greedy. Place long trade is true. Place long trade, enter long. Long, that's fine. We don't have to change that one. True, position long. Place long trade false. Okay, we don't have to change that one. If we get above, blah, 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 blah. Oh, no, we're really changing this. If we get above, position long, and the close is less than the open on 0, but the close is greater than the open 1 bar ago. So we're going to have it switch over. We're going for decent wins. Enter long place on true. That's fine. And this one here, exit long. That's the long stop. Did I adjust the long stop? I think I did. Place long trade equals false. Okay. Halfway there. Doom doom. Doom doom. Low. This one should be the close. That looks the same. Second one. Go to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Get rid of 4. This one might need changing. AMA close. Less than the AMA close. Greater than the AMA high. Low. It should be the low. I'm winging it, so there might be errors. Flat, exit, long, yeah. Short stop, we got to change that. Long stop, -6 ticks. So we want to add 6 ticks. The input series, launching channel high. Yes, it is. Ticks, we want to add 6 for the buy stop. The short entry price. What did we say about the short entry price? -16, 4 points. Oh, that's too much. Didn't we say -6? Maybe I just made an error. I'm making it -6. Which means 6 and 6. We're almost done. Play short, trade true. 8, 9. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. That's right. This one might need changing. 5 and 11. Yeah, they're different. Significantly different. Okay, the close on 5. The close is greater than long extension price ticks. Okay. Oh, okay, I know what I gotta do. Just gotta add this. Copy. The close is less than on the low. 5 is the close. Yep. Long extension, short extension, TP. Add this piece here. Edit. 9 o'clock. Guys, we're done. Hopefully even before 9 o'clock. Greater. Okay. 11 minus 6 is 5. Grab this one. Copy. Paste. Change the middle sign from greater to equal. Greater to less. Exit lot. Short lot size. It's fine. Play short trade. And 12, but it's your short stop American line, stop by short stop. All looks good. Close, compile. We will sneak this in before 9 o'clock. And I will run it on yesterday's data to see how it did. Because we got CFTC today. Let's change it to 5 lot so the numbers don't go way out of control. Or you know what? I like a 3 lot. Let's keep it reasonable. And wait until flat. Submit. Yes, let's go and see what we get. It's currently short 3, it says. Sim 101. Okay. No markers. Data series. That's not where it's supposed to be short, but what I told the system is if it's short or long, enter me in the trade at no matter what price. So we're very late, but we at least get to start participating right away to check the logic. So technically this one should have been short right there at 10, and we're short at 0375. 940 for me, yes. Lots of messages. Ooh, boy, people making predictions. Lighting a candle for the algos. This is gonna dump so hard. Yep. Or this is gonna go up. Yep. Sometimes I change what you guys wrote just for the fun of it. My stop is 23,040. Okay, well, it looks like it's above the entire session highs, basically. Even above the previous day's close. Mike Stunts, what was the enter? 23,005. Okay, right over there. Bad. It's been trading through there, which says bad entry. The seller's momentum line is above the buyer's momentum line. I think it looks good. And we haven't closed above a swing high in quite a while, since 8 o'clock. 1 hour looks hard down. I don't look at the hour chart. Might get lucky with a bad position. I don't think it's a bad position. Maybe a little entry. I was looking to enter at 910. That was a hell of a stop. That's a hell of a stop. Yeah, well, I don't know. 920. Didn't he say 025 and 40? 2305. 35 points. Not so bad. It will take an hour or so if I'm right. 5 micros. 15-minute about to close. Could run up a bit. Due to be under 995. I said that today. Yes, Mike Stunts 940 for me. What chip's target again? My stop is 23,040. Bad. And my other stop is 350 risk. Maybe he didn't say it. I don't know. The Joker, thinking guys, 22,840. Wow, now it's an 840. I thought it was a 940. 940 for me. Agreed. I've been short for an hour, which means I can't trade. Just looked at the charts. Here's what I'm thinking. 35-point stop on 5 micros. Topstep just triggered short. And this one should cover the trade when it turns bullish, on the first bullish candle. So if you get a long run under, you get to participate in all of that. More Epstein evidence is coming. Get ready, it's happening. CERN has achieved the impossible. Grok 4 is insane. Does that mean good or bad? Okay, OFT put out a new computer video.
Now it's time to tame the beast. The goal? Less heat, less power, and more performance. In this video,
So yeah, it's another world's fastest trading PC. Time to tame the beast. Undervolting guide. I don't even know what undervolting is. If anybody knows what undervolting is. We swept equal low sessions as well. After sweep, that was a strong push back up during today's price action. When you say that we broke equal lows, we swept equal low sessions as well. Are you talking the equal lows here at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock? Or are you looking farther back down into this area the day before? Oh, okay. Why would you want it rent cooler? Just put a fan on it. 4-hour chart. Okay, so you're not talking about the ones over here, which I think we also did sweep. Yeah, by a penny, but we did sweep it. Well, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Add more days. No clue. Days to load. Let's make it 10. That's not a lot of days to catch. Well, I can't unmessy this chart, but I should have this chart up. So what we do is we go back to the 1 minute, because this is my 1 minute chart where it doesn't look messy. We duplicate it. I think the 4-hour chart is a good bird's eye view, to be honest with you. And we go to 240 minutes, and then we clean it up. Let's go to indicators. How concerned am I about the 3 different opening ranges? Not at all. They wouldn't even show up well. The ATR, not at all. Open range, not at all. The count, not at all. EMA 30 bands, yes. Swing, nah. Bar timer, nah. VWAP, no. Range, no, and not even you. Okay, that's a pretty big cleanup. Okay, let's go to data. Let's make the trading hour break a little less aggressive. Dash dot 1. Leave me alone, Sparky. There we go. So now we can see what he's talking about. I'm guessing he's talking about we swept over here and then we traded up aggressively. No. Sorry, guys. I didn't even notice this one was still potentially playing. There we go. Need more water. Joker, multiple body closes below the lows. Everybody's bearish. Let's go look. This is a 4-hour chart. I guess it would go here. 1 minute, 30 minute. Let's mark this. What do you want, Sparks? One more, and it means we have to sell. That was only 2. Oh, qu'est-ce que tu fais, toi? You bored? You're bored? Hey, you should have gotten out of the trade, no? Did I not indicate it properly? If you're short and you get a bullish bar, okay, we got to check that. Sparky, you're in my way. Okay. Really has to be the wrong color. How many bars are there in a day in 4 hours? 24 hours or 6, 12, 18, 24. I don't even have enough. I'll put 15 days up. That should give me enough. There we go. There we go. Still at 23, rising 35 points to get to 60 at 22,945. Oh, still in that. Okay, I gotta go check my code again, because it is posing a problem. New strategy to build it. Did I load version 2? Yes, I did. I'm not exited till we under 995. Butter stunts version 2. Next. I think I reversed the logic. I get confused. I get confused. Where are we short? In which block? Exit short, enter long. Exit long. Ah. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to make it the open, not the close. Nah, we're going to leave it like this. I don't feel like playing with switches right now. What are you banging? Okay, we'll try this. We'll see if we get anything. Sorry about being quiet. I'm going to close it. And put it back on. So the short is covered. Correct. And now we're in a long. Correct. Okay. I really want London to take 840. Trying to enter 23010. He didn't get his 23110. Typo, sorry. 23190. I think so Joker thinks down, then back up to 23190. That's pretty far. That's like a day and a half. Whole scenario to go down, to go up, and come back down again. 15-minute tapped, and we shall see. Okay, let's take a quick look at the trades. We can see them. This was a winner. This was a winner. That was a winner. That was a loser. Winner. Loser. Winner. We started above. We sold. Loser. Looks good. Loser. Loser. Why loser? Why down there? If you're shorting here, why are we not getting out here? Why are we using the stop? We'll have to check that out. We would have gotten out. Okay, it's gotta, I get you. It's gotta go under. Winner, that makes sense. Winner. winner, 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 loser, 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 beautiful winner, really big winner, loser, all the way back to the morning. It looks like it would have killed it. We are going to run this tomorrow. I can almost run it tonight. I'll run it tonight. I'll get the data. Doesn't put in the stop. Am I on the wrong page? Sim 101. Which one are you trading? Scalping, butter bands, long, Sim 101. What strategy are you running? Who are you talking to, Omnius? How do you know? The butter bands version 2, a little modified. Gets in a little bit earlier. I made the bands a little more responsive. It's true. It's true. It's true. Did I change it over here? We're down to 13. I may have made a mistake. Edit strategy. Oh no, it's 13. So template. Oh yeah, it's version 2. That's why. So all the defaults are correct. Yeah, it kind of looks like it really did. Looks like it really did good. First version 1 got crushed today. Version 2 looks like it did good. I don't know. You know what? Let me download the data. Maybe I'll even test it right now. Nothing much is going on. It won't take me long. Historical data. I never gave you the open range zip file, eh? MNQ 09. Let's get Sunday download. Posted a writing video in Discord. What chip? Nice. 14. Let's go check out the writing video. Is there any music in it? Am I going to get flagged? First, I'll shut off the audio and then we'll see. Wow. You guys aren't afraid of falling? I don't know why my dog keeps barking, and every time I do something in Discord, I end up shutting it and lose my camera. I'll be back. I'm back. Didn't take long. I'm here. You just came home. Oh yeah, I was screaming at my daughter. I'm back testing. He's not messing with you. I think he's muted. Yeah, no, I was muted. We're going to be back testing the, wow, look at that run we would have caught. We're going to be back testing just for today because it got slaughtered. So I made a couple of modifications. I want to see what difference it makes. Like all it did was lose until 11 o'clock and then it recovered some. We're at 6 o'clock. I'm going to get to 9. That's about what time I think I showed up in the morning. 8:40. Might not have even applied it right away. 7. We are at 7:42, 46. 8:01. We're running it at max speed. I'll bring it down to 100. It's going to take about 3 minutes to test for anyone that's interested. 8:43, 46, 49. Good enough for me. 8:49. Let's start it. We are in a short because it synchronizes right away. Hey, what happened? I pressed play. Oh, I made a mistake. Edit strategy. Just to keep the numbers consistent, let's do a 10 lot because that's what we were doing today. And we got to minus 10,000. Okay, it's covered. Let's go back a little bit. I want to see something. Go to 811. No, don't do that to me. Okay. We gotta traverse the whole evening to get the data to be proper. I gotta go back to 1211 and then run it at full speed. So all the indicators catch up. He's not messing with you. I think he's muted. Has everybody left? Nobody wants to see the back test. I should go get water in this meantime. Butter stunts. You should be watching. So it's a little bit more aggressive on the entry. I'm not sure if I moved the stop. I think we hear. I'm not sure if I moved the stop. And I got a little more aggressive with the exit, or passive with the exit, because we're going to try and catch runners. So if it gets over the bands, because remember, this is a mean reversion. You get below the bands, it's a counter trend system. You get below the bands, you're buying. You get above the bands, you're selling. Kind of fucked me up a little bit today. But I don't give a fuck. I'll switch over if it trades well. If you can count on it. The loss, what would the loss be? I want to see what the loss is going to be. Curious how many points. I hope it's less than 10 points. Okay, we're getting up to 811 when I'm going to turn it on. The blue line's finally caught up. 54, 8, 804, 88. That's 811. We will turn it on. It has no trade. Perfect. Let's see what we get. It's a little too fast to be running at max speed. We'll go to 50. A minute a second. Yeah, 100 is good. So it should enter in a limit order. It didn't get filled. Why didn't it get filled? There's your limit order filled. There's your stop. That's perfect. A little higher than the... It's 99 to 09, and it's a little bit perfect. It's 10 points. And what do we pull out of this? I think we pulled out... No, we didn't pull out 10 points. That couldn't have been 10 points. Okay, first one was a little winner. I'm not sure why that winning status was allowed, but it was like 2 or 3 points. We're short. Stopped out. Short. Taking a profit. Long. Taking a profit. We are looking to go short. We're short. Taking a profit. So look at the difference, eh? We're long. We're stopped out. We're long. Look at the difference. Remember butter stops? We were down 2,000. The old way. And this is not a big change what I did. We're long. Just gets me in a little bit earlier. It makes the stop a little bit farther. And it holds the runner rather than just getting out. We're long. I'm surprised it should have gone long there and maybe not got stopped out. We're long. Took a nice winner. We're short. Wonder why we were short. We shouldn't have shorted under the bands. There's a small error. We're short. We lost again. We're short. Lost again. There were a lot of losers on the short side. Lost again. 526. Really? That didn't take us out. And that one did. Go figure. We are long. Out. We're short. Short. So it's not doing phenomenal, but it's holding its own. Another loser, down 1,000. That was a nice winner. This should be a long. Okay, there's errors in the code because this should be a long. And it should have gotten out. This one should have caught about 35 points. Sell. See, they should have looked like that. Now on the next bull candle, it should cover. Right there, perfect. Nice recovery. We should be long. Thinking that's an out. Okay, it is an out. Perfect. Long. I'm not sure if that's an out or we respect the stop still. I think you have to get over the bands for there to be an exit. Like that should have been an exit, or it requires the bar to be close above the band. So this one will be the exit. No, why is that not the exit? Well, we're going to have to read what the exit is. I think I know what it's doing. It's waiting for the next sales trade to exit. Sell. Let's see if my theory is correct. Sell. Stopped out. Was a strong day. Sell. Got to get under the bands. No, you see, it took a trade there. Short. Get under the bands. Form 3 up and then it'll get out. 2, so 2 up and get out. It's not doing it consistently. Anyways, we got our answer because the first version finished with minus 2,000 and something, I think, at around 12 o'clock. And this one is now, we are at 11:30. There's a half an hour left in trading. We're short. Just the one lot, it only filled the one lot. We'll allow the last trade to go through. That should have been long. Would have been a nice one. That's a short. That's a correct short. Fill. And we're at 11:51. We closed at 12:06, I think. Maybe one more short. Let's see. We're at 3:25. Let's allow the last trade to go through. And we end off at 349, which is much better than minus 2,000. So that's looking good. Let's disconnect it. Yes. Connections. Let's get back to live market data. And let's connect it all. Get back to this workspace here. 498. Are you kidding me? It's killing. That's hilarious. While I was back testing, it actually made $498. Way to go. Way to go. Now it's short, but it's short late. Should have been shorted where the arrow is up here. But because I am syncing up the system, it gets in the trade right away. Wow, look at that. You guys didn't tell me that was happening. I have a trade at 23,100 along China news. Well, there I can get in better than 23,000. My stop is at 86. Yeah, make it 88.50. That's the wrong stop. I said 88.50, right? No, 86 I said. Anyway, somewhere around there. It's good enough. I don't plan on losing. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, push a little bit more, another 4 points. Give me an OFT push. All together now. Very nice. Guys, you didn't tell me I didn't change my scene. It was all ugly. It was all confusing. We were looking like this. Anybody knew what was going on? We're pushing off that NVIDIA news. Let's go, NVIDIA! I can use a runner. I gave up some profits today. I had $200 profits in my In my take profit trader account, I threw it away. Ended up only up 20 some odd dollars. 50, 80. I'll take that. $89. I'll take a $90 trade for my first trade of the day. The omen is gone. And I still have butter stunts, butter bands version 2, which looks like it's killing it. So I'm going to take butter bands version 2 on the next trade also and see if I can squeeze some juice out of that. And then maybe I'm going to make myself a nice fucking coffee. Wow, look at that. What's gold doing? Just out of curiosity. Nothing much, eh? So it's not a market news for gold. Crude, not really affecting crude, not really affecting Bitcoin. Gold, the buyers are in control. Bitcoin, sellers in control. NQ, buyers strongly in control. 65% to 35 to 25%. Wow. Well, I'm going to try something. Get rid of my stop. I'm just going to make it a one lot. Oh, I was going to say, okay, take a one lot short. Stop out at 62. There, stopped out. Small loss, short again. Oh, it is short. I think it stopped losses in the wrong place, though. Really? Don't do that to me. Okay, we give it back. Take care, wood chip. Oh, I know what I did. I know what my error was. New strategy builder. Let me correct the error. Yeah, it's supposed to be trading a 10 lot, not a 1 lot. Sorry. I was a little undersized for the BB system. Now we're back on track. So now, if I understand correctly, we need a closing bar, a bullish closing bar underneath the bands. Hey, Dominic, I think we fixed the butter band system. Made a couple of changes. I'm good, you? Did you do some trading on Monday? Okay, so if I'm correct now, on a bullish bar, it should close. If I understand how to read it. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, you see? Okay, perfect. I understand, I understand. You said you're from Florida, eh, if I remember? I'm just not 100% sure about the, I trade a little this morning. Tomorrow morning I will do real trade. Is it crazy hot over there in Florida? Because we're having some pretty crazy shitty weather here. What I mean by pretty crazy shitty, hot and humid. I went outside to do like 20 minutes work on my deck. I was dripping. I've been watching as I go through today. Look at the tree so I can learn how the candles are moving. Yeah, that's one of the best ways. Chart time, watching, observing, without taking a trades. Okay, 3 down, and this time it should put in the order with a limit order, and the limit order should sit properly. Before the limit orders were moving. The exit was fixed. Now let's see, 3. Limit order, there you go. Fill the limit order. We use the limit order because we want to get a little bit better price and reduce our risk. There's always retraces in fast markets. This one we miss, see? Maybe we shouldn't do limit order. My take profit trade, and now I have 51. Great, way to go. Better than me even. All right, 50,000. Where is it? Take profit, 50,911. Oh, we missed such a big one there. Look at that trade we missed. Because we wanted 6 ticks better. Maybe we won't enter with limit orders. Maybe we'll enter with just 2 ticks better. Because now our trade is 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I have to see an entry and see the stop. Because the stop is not exactly at the swing high or swing low anymore. I moved them. Let me just go see what the entry logic is. I forgot it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go again. There we go. This one enters. When the bar closes, there'll be a stop. 32 to 22. Okay, it's a 10-point stop. So anything we get better than it's entered at 32. If we get and it has a 10-point stop. If we can get it 3-4 points better, we only have a 6-point stop or a 7-point stop. See, let it take the trades on sim, and you try to get a better price even. Even have lower risk. I'm going to create an ATR. 2-lot scalp. Edit. It's going to have a 7 times 4. 28-point stop and a 60-point target. Nah, bigger than that. 20. 2860. Save as. We're going to call it. What are we going to call it? It's a 2-lot scalp. BB. Save. Okay. We can take it right now. There we go. So my stop is at 21. Their stop is at 22. I can even raise my stop. That's a nicely framed trade. Look at that. And I can bring the stop up to 22.75, which is where it is on the system. And I don't even have to have this here at 60. I can bring this all the way up here. Hopefully it reverses and goes up. I'd like to take a winner, but no, okay, I'll try and get in the other one. Might take profit share, challenge capital, Coach Fred. Full port, 2 micros. I never know if that means you want me to do it or that you did it. Everybody says it, and I never know if it means that they did it or I should do it. Okay, this is a bit of a chase. Not very happy about it. Mike Stunts, easy 1K. I didn't get an easy 1K. Oof, I'm in red now again with the take profit account. Looking to sell again when it goes down. Let's gamble that it'll go. I did a sell market. I don't need the ATM. It's interfering. If it continues higher, I'm going to cover the 2-lot. I'm on buy market. Okay, come on, start selling. Ups and downs and ups and downs. Ah, you bugger. I have no idea. I'm going to try. I don't know if it's good. So far, I'm losing. Remember, we trade, we laugh, we lose. If you've seen my video, looks like it kind of wants to try and go lower. Good shift. Sellers are in control with the momentum line. But we're not getting a bearish bar on the Renkos. It's trying, it's trying. There we go, we got one. Now let's go lower by 5-6 bars. That's it. The speed of the decline has gone away. You catch me on another 1 bar. I don't understand. Why is it long as 7 lot? It should be long at 10 lot. Did it just not get filled? Okay, let's reverse lower now. Pull. Or push. Push lower. Okay, we got one. Shouldn't be a single. The sellers. Why is my chart not working? I'm supposed to be able to compress it. Anyways, right? No, that's not how you compress it. How do you compress it? I forgot. Or is it just working all fucked up? Give me a second. I'm gonna shut down NQ and open it up because it's not working. It's not working right. Actually, I'm gonna clear out my cache also. My speaker's on. Yep, I'm still here. Okay, cache is cleared. Opening up Ninja. I'm watching on Topstep, not much happening. We're trading at 23,118. Trying to go lower. No de para Mara. No se pasa. Que la llega esta rea. Something about Kool-Aid. Okay, we can go back to the camera shot here. Let's get the two screens going. And let's connect. It's going to take a little bit of time because it has to pull in all the data. I cleared everything. I removed all my old data. I did a washing. One chart's filled. Two charts filled. Buyers show up. We would take a short till we clear 111. Two charts are filled. Three charts. Waiting for the last one to fill up, the Renko. Maybe there's a lot of days. There we go. Now it's working properly. I was right. It was that. There we go. And it's already in a trade. It was in a short and it got out. Excellent. Or a long. I don't really know. Wouldn't I really need to proofread? Proofread what? Did I say something? Trying to break lower again. After I type, I need to proofread that shit. Wouldn't take a short till we clear 111. Well, we cleared 111. Good day. I'm enjoying trading. Let's get some music going. Now we're going to come up to VWAP and previous day's high. That could possibly be a support area. I wouldn't be surprised, especially because it's previous day's high that we're bouncing into. May long at 32. 23.032 or 23.132? 0.32, that's just under the previous day's close. If he's thinking 0.32, and if he's thinking, okay, he's thinking 0.32 under the previous day's close. And stop. 23,000, 22,995. Just out of curiosity, or 22,990. Just get under the full session low. $22,991. I still don't know what the condition is to enter. I forgot. I know what the condition is to sell. Cover. What's the condition for entry? Let me just see. Remind myself. Butter bands version 2. Next. Next. Two. Okay, if that happens. If the most recent close plus 4 ticks is below the low on the 3, the close, that's to go long. Okay, so it has to be under that one, and 8, it has to be above the low. Okay, I get it. Above the low, below the high. Perfect. There, now you know how to trade it. So if this forms a bullish bar, it should be a long entry. That was a nice little spurt of volatility. Wow, it's 10:30 already. I'll give it to 10:30 if it doesn't wake up again and start to get aggressive. I'll call it a night. No, there's your trade. That makes sense. Okay, they're long at 81. I don't know what I'm bidding at. Let me get out and try to get a better price. 81.75 on the bid, 81.50. There we go, 80 1/4, 3/4. If I get filled, 80 3/4, perfect. And when this closes, the stop should be put in. I'm figuring the stop will be around 73. It's not 6 points, it's probably 6 ticks. So 73 1/4, 71.75 would be my guess where they're going to put the stop. So about 10 points. $71.75, was I right? Right on the money, $71.75. $81, first up. Let's make a little shoot up to 87, 88. Wow, that's a really flat, tight. Bunch of candles there. Look at that. Yeah, they decided to go lower. Okay. Sebo. Oh. Let's go. Let's make a fifth bullish candle. Long at 73. I'm long at 73 1/4. Let's go. Let's make a run. Stop is 63.75. Sell stop, we'll put it in and I'll watch. Let it go. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get a nice run on the bullish candles. You never know when it's going to come. Could be now. If we get into this area here, around here, around the 70s, a little bit lower maybe, I'll add, like around 68, you know, depending on the speed with which it happens. Still trading at 73, 23,073. We didn't get under 23,070 yet. I'm still watching it. Yeah. I think around 68, 69, it's a good time to place bids because we have the previous day highs at 67 pretty much, so just 1 or 2 points above that. You know what, let me put in a limit order. Sounds like it is a party. Put on a suit and come over. There, 68.50. Very hard to see the orders. They're very compressed. You're not putting on a suit? And coming over? I fixed my app. I gotta show it to you tomorrow. It's fucking cool. You're gonna freak out. Yeah, I'm tired too. I should go to bed. I'm just doing lousy here. Take profit is caca. I'm up $10. Good night. Night. Good night, night. Also, take care, Mike. Take care, Omnia. See you tomorrow. Come on. Let's break above view up. Good night, good night, good night. Well, it looks like it wants to sell.
Voces del pasado, calling through time, sangre y sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show.
Come on, let's go lower. Form another bearish bar and I'll sell. I'll even sell the market. There we go. Sell the market. Dump now. Dump, dump, dump. There we go. Now we're both long at 58. The system and me. System's taking a lot of fucking stops lately. How much am I? It's too much to be long. Let's go back up. I got a 2 lot. I think I only want to do a 1 lot on this trade. But right now I'm stuck into a 2 lot. $53 is an add point. There we go. Okay, so maybe it shoots higher. The seller's still in control. Yep. Not by much though. 55% to 35%, which sounds like a lot, but 55%, you just drop it by 50%, by 5%, and we're at 50-50. The 35 is because there's a bunch of dojis. But red candles, there's only 55% of them. It's not that strong. On the Rankos, it's a little more severe, 66%. But we can catch a move up. That's why I'm only taking a 1 lot though, very small. Trying to get better at holding, which I am doing a good job of actually. Can't complain. Ooh. What are you sticking on? Fuck. Well, if we don't get stopped out and it goes back to blue, like it's thinking to go back to blue, I'll buy again, and I'll buy again. Now give me 4 or 5 blue bars. Well, let's get excited. Get excited to the upside. That's 1.5, 2. Come on, 3. 1 more. 1 more. Now give me a spurt. Give me 4, 5, 6, and 7. No, don't go back down. So now it's looking messy. It's going sideways. Yeah, it's going sideways, but we're under a pretty significant level there, Dominic. We're trading near previous day's high and VWAP. So there's a potential for a reaction. Not just quiet action, but actually movement. Because it's kind of like an area where traders want to make a decision which way they want to push it. Back over the VWAP, back over the previous day's high. Or if we got under it, are we going to stay under it and then push lower? Yeah, I would agree with you. The sellers would probably win this battle, but my bot on the bottom is long because it's not taking into consideration the levels. It's just a purely technical trader. I can't really program it for it to take context into consideration. However, I can turn it on and off in those types of areas. Thing is, also, I've seen some violent moves from under the bands to over the bands, and it really can extend. And I'm trying to catch one of those today. It's like trying to catch a fish. A lot of times you catch one, it gets off the hook. Or you catch one, it's a small fish. Hey guys, if you go on Twitter, there's a contest. Who can say the nastiest thing about Patrick Wieland? And it's sponsored by Patrick Wieland. He's giving $1,000 to the nastiest comment. Well, I would like it to see it get another spurt higher, but we're trading sideways again, quietly. Not sure how much longer BULENOX is going to have the 91% off sale. I think it's till the 18th, which is 4 more days. If anybody is thinking of picking up an eval account, it's a good opportunity to get it in at a really cheap price. The great thing about BULENOX is it's 91% for all the months. It doesn't go back up to 80% or 70%. On the next month you get 90% recurring. And I heard they finally got rid of their stupid five-day minimum trading rule thing, where you have to trade every 5 days. You lose your account on your master account. I'm gonna have to confirm that though. Anybody new in the room want to say hi? My chat isn't subscribers only. Don't be shy. Anybody want to get up and dance? The 50 level is holding. The stop is at 48.50 on the trade. I'll try another one here just to reduce my price. It's not going to be a significant trade either way. I'll put my stop at 48.50. 40 1/4. Sell stop. Change it to a 2-lot just in case. Okay, fixed my price even better. So now I'm risking 5 points. I'm already up 5 points. Now let it run. I like this song. Lower your speakers. I'm raising the volume. Most people say no, lower it. No, you can lower your volume.
Fuck it one night.
Okay. Maybe this will be the one that pushes higher over, view up. I don't know, 68.70. I might just take my my 17 points and then call it a night. Let's get up to 70. 68, 67, 68. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Move my stop to break even. It's only a one lot now. Move it up to there. I'm not going to lose money on this. I'm actually going to move it there. If you can break the low of the previous two bars. Yeah, I agree. If we can break the previous two bar low, I'm out. That'll be it for me for today. It'll probably take me out. You never know, but it'll probably take me out. I've seen miracles where it touches you like that and it doesn't take you out. I don't know, there might be another trade to take. We can get under 55. Let's see what the next candle does. Sellers are in, but they're not pushing it really under 50. It's kind of stalled here again. I'll get in for a two lot. Bailando West, Bailando North. My stop is 48.50. I got my finger on the close button. But if we can form a blue bar on the Renko charts on the bottom before we get stopped out, I will add a two lot. 52, 4 points away. We're right at support. It held many times. Lighten up my position because it's not really performing phenomenally well. But if we do get a blue bar, which we just did, I'll get back in. Now let's hope we get 3, 4, 5 bars to the upside. Why 55 again? Yeah, there it is. There it is. The breakdown. One more push lower. One more. Okay, Dominic, that was kind of fun. Didn't really make any headway. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Didn't read it well. I'll be trading again tomorrow morning. 9:15 or earlier, depending on what time my guitar lessons are finished. And I'll try for 8 o'clock. Yeah, there's a good chance for that. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I see it get down to 23,000 again. Looks like that's what it wants to do. Ooh, I'm tired. So that's it. Yep, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. And join me and Omnius at 9:15 in the morning. Hey, wow, I'm happy I need to get up and trade with you. Cool. Looking forward to having you. I'll have to get a meme for you. Tomorrow I'll have a meme for Dominic. What is it you like to do, Dominic? You like to go fishing, hunting, rollerblading? What's something you enjoy doing, or what do you do for work? Or give me something about you. I can create your little meme. You know what a meme is? A meme is something like Mike Stunts. He rides motorcycles. I think you've seen it. Perfect, a hairstylist. Dominic, I live in a French country. Dominic can be a man's name and a woman's name, both the way you spell it. I'm assuming you're a woman because all in North America, that's a woman's name, but not in Quebec. In Quebec, that's a man's name also. I assume it's female. I may be wrong. I'm a woman. Okay, perfect. We'll see you tomorrow. Dominic, the hairstylist. You will have your meme. I will talk to you and see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. Bye.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow, clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill bro, let that setup bake, waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.